Stop by and take a look at the 2020 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, voice-activated navigation system, leather upholstery. Come take a test drive today.